Falasha village, located near Gondar, Ethiopia, is hometown Ethiopian Jewish community known as the Beta Israel. This small historical village showcases the rich traditions, culture, and craftsmanship of Falasha people, especially their famous bag, clay pots, and handmade crosses. Visitors can explore traditional homemades and artifacts, stuff like that, and learn about the Jewish heritage that once thrived in this region. Its unique culture stop that connects history, region, and artists in one powerful experience. Let's explore with Tasama Ethiopia tour Falasha village in Gondar.